doing, kitty? Are you bouncing a leaf? You are bouncing a leaf like a ball. You are the funniest cat. Yes, you are. You're funny. Don't hurt the leaf. No, 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 no. You can just bounce the leaf. Just don't hurt it. No, no, no. Kitty, what are you doing? Are you in a playful mood? You are too funny.